In on-prem world, Oracle was one of the most popular data vendors. Their ETL tool, Oracle Data Integrator, was very widespread.
Popularly known as ODI, the tool was one of the pioneers of ELT concept. Extract from source systems, load into staging area, and use target database engine to perform transformations. So, basically, ODI was an SQL generator with support for a wide range of sources and target technologies. With SQL being one of the foundations of data engineering, no wonder ODI was very popular in the Oracle community and beyond. However, now more and more companies are moving away from the hassle of having their own data centers. With on-prem installations comes a myriad of system engineers and DBAs, and even more of such support personnel to have some backup if somebody important leaves the company. In cloud, somebody else takes care of this. The companies can focus now on what they want. Analyze their data in order to make better, more informed decisions. But what if we have ODI installation with hundreds, if not thousands, of integration routines, or mappings, as they are called in ODI terminology? Surely, rewriting them from scratch manually in the new cloud-based technology would be absolutely huge project. In all senses, time, money, and people required to do it.
Luckily, there is a solution.
Using Epic Ingenioso, we can reduce hours, days, or even weeks of programming to just a couple of clicks. Use ODI operator to get SQLs generated by ODI. Store them into file. Open Epic Ingenioso, select file, click. We get both the metadata about process mapping and documentation for the integration routine in the new technology. But wait, we don't have the new integration routine yet. No problem. Use Epic Ingenioso target generator, select file, choose among many of the target technologies, such as DBT or store procedure in any of the cloud, open source, or commercial databases you might use. Click Start, and that's it. Using such approach, savings in time and money are enormous, and the risks of bugs are seriously reduced.
Intrigued? Contact me to find out more.